Question 15. The line graph shows the volume of the water in tank A and tank B with different capacities. At first, the tank A was completely filled with water, while tank B was half filled with water. A tap was turned on to drain out water from tank A. After 20 minutes, the tap in tank A was turned off. The tap was then turned on for 10 minutes for water to flow into tank B at a constant rate and filling it to its brim. Question A. Complete the graph to show the volume of the water in tank B in the last 10 minutes. Okay, let's look at this question together. So you can see that at the beginning, time equal to 0. The amount of water in tank B is actually showing here. Okay, so according to this chart, we can see that it's actually 3 steps above 150, so that corresponding to the volume of 180 liters. And this amount of water will be remains constant because we didn't turn on any tap for tank B in the next 20 minutes. So that means the amount of water in tank B is going to remain constant over the next 20 minutes, all the way come to this point. And then we're going to turn on the tap in tank B, and then the water is going to fill up its full capacity. Since half the capacity is 180 liters, so full capacity is going to become 360 liters, right? And this filling is finished with the last 20 minutes. So from time 20 minutes to time 30 minutes, our capacity is going to increase from 180 liters all the way to 360 liters. Let's try to locate the 360 liters. That's going to be highlighted at this point, right? It's one step above the 350 liters, or maybe 4 steps below the 400 liters. So now let's just draw the 2 dots together with a ruler, so we get our capacity curve for tank B. For question part B, how much water was drained from the tap in tank A in 1 minute? So the tap in tank A was turned on from time 0 all the way to time 20, and during this period of time, you can see the capacity of water actually decrease from 300 liters all the way down to 100 liters, and this happens within 20 minutes. Okay, so how much water was drained per minute? That's going to be 300 liters minus 100 liters. The difference is actually 200 liters. So much water flows out. And this happens over a period of 20 minutes. So we have 200 liters divided by 20 minutes. That's going to be 10 liters per minute. This is our answer. Finally, part C. How much more water flows from the tap in tank B as compared to the tap in tank A in 10 minutes? So if you look at the change of tank B over 10 minutes, right, it actually flows from 180 liters to 360 liters, right? So the amount of water flows through the tap in tank B, that's going to be, okay, for tank B, that's actually going to be changing from 360 liters to 180 liters over the 10 minutes. So the difference in this case is going to be 180 liters. Now let's look at the tank A. Let's look at the change over 10 minutes, because we just now calculated the flow rate is 10 liters per minute. And if we do the change for the 10 minutes, the answer is going to be 100 liters, right? So the difference between the 2 tanks is going to be 180 liters minus 100 liters equals 80 liters. This is the answer to part C.